Chapter 3: Our Senses. In this chapter, you will learn about sense organs, good and bad touch, sense of touch, differently abled. Factoid: our senses help us to know the world around us. All animals and human beings have sense organs. Sense organs help to know everything that happens around us. The sense organs contain thousands of nerves that pick up signals from the outside world and carry them to the brain. The brain processes the signals and sends a message back to the sense organs. This is how our senses are able to know everything in just a few microseconds. Let us recall about the sense organs. Eye. The eye is the organ of vision. It helps us to see things. Nose. The nose is the organ responsible for the sense of smell. It tells whether something smells good or bad. Ear. The ear is the organ for hearing. It helps us to hear different sounds. Tongue. The tongue is the organ that has taste buds and helps us to detect various kinds of tastes. Skin. The skin is responsible for developing the sense of touch. As we all know, skin is the outer covering of our body. It helps us to feel various kinds of sensations like touch, temperature, and pressure. Sense of touch. Today is Neha's birthday. After the snacks party, all her friends decide to play the game Touch and Tell, in which they blindfold each child one by one. Neha ties a cloth on the eyes of Raghav and quietly calls her pet Savi. Raghav touches and identifies it as a dog. Now Neha brings ice in a plate as it's the turn of Rahul. He touches and identifies it too. Do you notice? Simply by using our sense of touch, we can make out a large number of things without actually seeing them. The sense of touch is distributed throughout the body. The nerves in the skin transmit messages to the brain, and thus we are able to sense different types of touch. Good and bad touch. Touch that keeps us safe and we feel good, loved and cared is good. Touch like a hug from our father, a kiss from our mother, etc. Touch that hurts our feelings or body parts is bad touch, like hitting, pinching, slapping, etc. Differently abled. No one in this world is perfect. There are some people whose one or more body parts do not function properly. Such people are known as differently abled. It is said that if one of their senses is damaged, then some other sense works stronger for them. People who are unable to see blind are very efficient in understanding and learning the concepts through Braille. By their sense of touch, they are able to read and interpret the meaning. We should be sensitive towards them and help them to be independent and lead a normal life. Limelight. Helen Keller was differently abled. She was both blind and deaf. Despite that, she became a famous author and a very popular teacher. Keywords. Sense organ, an organ of the body that responds to external stimuli by conveying impulses to the sensory nervous system. Nerve whitish fiber or bundle of fibers that transmit impulses of sensation to the brain or spinal cord and impulses from these to the muscles and organs.